Hello guys, welcome to another gaming review. Today we have Oppo A31, a mid-ranger from Oppo with this beautiful gradient finish. I have also done its unboxing and will post the link down below in the description. So here are some key specs before we jump into the gaming review. This Helio P35 processor is power efficient, no doubt, but it's not good enough for gaming. And that's exactly we will find out today. And except for the processor, all the other specs in this price range are great. So starting off with the PUBG, here we go. So here are the default graphic settings, and as you can see you can only go up to balanced graphic settings, so no HD or HDR for this device. So adjusting the controls this time too, to avoid random fires that happened in the previous gaming review. So as you can see, even in the lobby, the game is missing some frames straight away. Anyways, let's jump into the play zone and see what we can do with this device. Here we are, and even with the basic settings, the game is almost unplayable. Let's reduce the settings to smooth. So no major improvement. And as I was saying earlier, this P35 chipset is not made for heavy gaming at all. So let's go to the lowest setting possible on this device. So for those of you who are considering this device for PUBG, don't. Game is literally unplayable in this device. So as most of you know, PUBG is a quite heavy game. So let's try with an offline game this time and see how it works. Let's try GTA.
He kept his head down. Helps people forget. People will remember soon enough. When they see him walking down the streets of their neighborhoods, it will be bad for business. Well, what are we gonna do, Sonny? We treat him like an old friend and keep him busy out of town.
I poked my head out of the gutter for one freaking second and fate shoveled shit in my face.
Go get some sleep. What are you gonna do? I'll drop by your office tomorrow and we can start sorting this mess out.
With a message from the State Department. All bridges and some roads in the Vice City metropolitan area have been closed because of a severe weather warning.
It's relatively better than PUBG, but still not smooth enough. So now it's time to test the third game, the most lighter one of them all. So as we are playing with the default settings, it's working alright. Let's jump to the higher settings and see if it lags or not. So I think this one is working better than the previous two. So if you are a PUBG lover or a heavy gamer, this device isn't for you. But if you are not a gamer at all and you're just looking for a bigger battery and storage space, and yeah, eye-catching looks in a budget device, then you can look for this device. So that's all from our gaming review today, and I will catch you in the next one.